Wow. Welcome to my channel. My name is Richard Olusegun, aka Olu Richard. I am into entrepreneur, digital marketing, and all ways that you can make money online. I am welcoming you to my channel once again. On this video, I want to take you through how you can start mining or how you can put on your mining after you have subscribed, after you have chosen a package with AfricGold. AfricGold is a very unique platform, a mining platform that was created to use on our phone, on our Android phones or iPhones, or even on our laptop, that can make us money every minute, every day. At least in a week, you can make at more than 10,000, and even in a month, you can generate more than 150,000 as cheap as that without doing so much. And that is why, if you have been hearing about AfricGold, I believe this is the best unique platform that you can use to make money for yourself. Either you are a student, either you are a sit-at-home mother, or you are looking for a way to add to a way of generating income to yourself. I believe this is the best app that you can use to do that. Now, let us go. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step. It's going to be a very a small video. The time is not going to be much, but you're going to get every good step that I'm making. Now, let me sign in into my account. Yeah, I sign in straight, I got an account, and as of today, I am having 138,350. And for my mining, as of today, I'm having 125. I want you to see this very well. I'm having 125,350 as of today that I am recording this video. My like I said in my former video, the video that I've made before now, that there are three ways that you can mine or you can make money on AfricGold. Number one is mining. Number two is sharing of trend posts. And number three is referring people to your platform. Then that is why I said today I am taking you a step-by-step of how you can start mining. Now that you have signed in, after you have gotten your package, either 7,500, 15,000, or 4,500, then we start mining. Now you go to this right side of this corner, you click on it, and there will be a drop-out menu, a drop-down menu that you will choose what you want to do. This is dashboard, miner, share and earn, post, withdrawal, referral. These are the list of the menu that is there. Then, for what we're going to do today, I say for mining, you click on the first sub menu. Then it brings you down here. You will see that today I am here to start mining, and that is why I want to use this opportunity to really show you who are the first, the beginner, on the newbie that has just joining AfricGold. Just go directly to that place. After you click on the miner and you click, you could see the button at the middle, like a switch that we normally see all about, either on our TV. See the sign there. This is the sign of switch. And the simplest thing you want to do without effort to start mining and making money on AfricGold is to click on it. Once you click, you see that it started. It changes the color and the background, and you can see the counting started. And another thing you will see is 24. That means this mining takes 24 hours before you come back to it and reactivate it. You have activated your mining for today, which is going to end in the next 24 hours. Now, to see what you have generated for this mining, because you're going to see what this mining going to end up with. You could remember I said my total of mining is 125,350. Now let us go back to my dashboard. You can see that the figure have changed 141,000, and you will see the trend, the mining is 128 instead of that 125 we are saying. That means I've gotten, for this 24 hours that's going to run, I'm going to get 3,000 plus added to my money. That is how to mine, and that is how to switch on your mining on AfricGold. I love you that you are looking at me and you are listening to what I'm saying, and I believe you're going to be part of this. And even I congratulate you for the choice you made to even come to this platform by choosing AfricGold to make extra income to yourself. Share this video to your friends, or especially people that are joining, that are newbie, that want to know how to start mining. You can see how it is as simple as ABC. This is nothing you do and it generates you money. You started mining already, and he has created you. He has given you, given me 3,000 plus. That means when the miner, when the portal will be open for the withdrawal, I am having nothing less than 128,000 to be withdrawn from this platform. Thank you for joining me. I said if you have not joined my channel, go below this video and click subscribe, and even click like and share with your friend. Thank you. God bless you.